Audio Jungle.
The Ineos Grenadier SUV developed by British chemical giant Ineos has started production. Production takes place at the former Smart plant in Hambach, France, which Ineos purchased from Mercedes-Benz. A previous plan was to construct a new plant in Wales. Ineos made some key upgrades to the Hambach plant, including adding a new fully automated body shop and semi-automated paint shop, and upgrading the general assembly facility. A modern quality assessment facility was also added to the site. Ineos plant in Hambach, France. The Grenadier is based on a platform with body-on-frame construction, solid axles with panhard rods front and rear, and progressive coil springs. To help reduce weight, the body is made from a mix of aluminum, high-strength steels, and even some composites. Both regular SUV and pickup body styles are planned. Ineos plans just one powertrain for the US, a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six sourced from BMW. Deliveries in the first markets will start in December. Ineos said it already has 200 sales and service sites established around the globe, and the company is in the process of signing up dealerships in the US. Ineos has previously hinted at the Grenadier starting deliveries here in 2024, though that date may be pushed back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.